Shabby chic is more than just a trend. It's a cozy, romantic style that brings vintage charm and relaxed elegance into your home. But what exactly defines shabby chic, and how can you create this inviting look without going overboard? Let's dive into the soft, timeless beauty of shabby chic interior decor. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Which colors define shabby chic style? Pastels like dusty pink, soft whites, creams, and light blues dominate shabby chic palettes. These muted, gentle tones create a calm and airy atmosphere, perfect for adding a touch of romance and nostalgia to any space. Enjoy these soothing hues? Show some love. What types of furniture work best? Distressed wood pieces with worn finishes, vintage dressers, and ornate mirrors fit right in. Furniture often features curves, intricate details, and a sense of history. Mixing well-loved antiques with soft upholstery brings the perfect balance. Planning a furniture refresh? Save this tip. What role do florals play? Floral prints are essential, whether on curtains, cushions, or wallpaper. They bring life and femininity, reinforcing the vintage-inspired charm that's central to shabby chic design. Love floral accents? Hit like! What is shabby chic interior decor? Shabby Chic combines vintage, distressed furniture and soft feminine colors to create a warm, lived-in feel. It celebrates imperfection and comfort with an emphasis on softness, florals, and antique touches that feel effortlessly elegant. It's all about mixing old with new in a cozy, inviting way. Love this relaxed vibe? Tap like to keep it going. What accessories work well? Delicate ceramics, antique clocks, woven baskets, and soft cushions all add charm. Keep accessories meaningful and minimal to avoid clutter and maintain the airy feel. Enjoy these details? Give a thumbs up. How important is texture in shabby chic decor? Texture plays a huge role, with layers of lace, linen, burlap, and cotton adding softness and visual interest. Worn wood contrasts beautifully with plush fabrics, creating a tactile and cozy environment. Like this cozy feel? Give a thumbs up. How do you mix old and new pieces effectively? Balance is everything. Pair antique furniture with modern accessories or fresh floral arrangements to keep the space from feeling outdated while honoring its nostalgic roots. Trying this mix? Share your thoughts. How do you keep shabby chic from feeling cluttered? Focus on quality over quantity. Let key pieces shine and avoid overcrowding with too many accessories. This keeps the space feeling peaceful and inviting. Like this clean approach? Tap like. How do you decorate walls in shabby chic rooms? Walls often feature soft, neutral paint or wallpaper with vintage patterns. Add framed vintage prints, mirrors with ornate frames, or delicate wall sconces to enhance the look. Thinking about your walls? Save this idea. How can lighting enhance shabby chic interiors? Soft, diffused lighting is key. Think chandeliers with crystals, vintage lamps, or candlelight. These warm light sources add romance and highlight the gentle, comforting mood. Inspired by this glow? Like to see more? Are DIY projects popular in shabby chic style? Yes, distressing old furniture or repurposing vintage finds is a favorite way to personalize your space. DIY adds character and a true handcrafted touch. Feeling creative? Tap like. Is shabby chic suitable for every room? Absolutely. It works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms. Its cozy vintage warmth can transform any space into a restful retreat. Ready to try it? Hit like and start today.